In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce CRM to N8N, which we'll accomplish in just 5 minutes. Now, before we get started, remember that this simple tutorial requires a few easy steps, and by the end of it, you'll have seamlessly integrated Salesforce with N8N, ready to optimize your workflow automation. To kick things off, grab your computer and open up your web browser. You're going to want to head to your search engine and look up N8N. Once you have a result, click on the link to head over to the N8N platform. From there, signing in is your first task. Utilize your existing credentials to access your N8N account. If you're already logged in, you're already a step ahead and ready to dive into the integration process. Now that we've got access, it's time to start a fresh workflow in your N8N instance. Locate the option to create a new workflow. This will serve as the foundation for connecting Salesforce. With our new workflow canvas opened up, let's proceed by finding the crucial Salesforce node. Head over to the node search bar and type Salesforce. Once it pops up, you'll want to drag that node right onto your workflow canvas, establishing the primary connection point between N8N and Salesforce. Next, let's click on the recently placed Salesforce node. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select an action, which simply means deciding what you want this node to do once it's connected. For instance, you might want it to create or update entries. But before choosing, you'll see an option to Select Credential. This is where we start linking N8N with Salesforce. Go ahead and choose Create New Credential. This action opens up a new set of options where you'll select Connect My Account. Clicking this brings up a Salesforce login page requiring your credentials. This step establishes a secure link. Once you're on this page, log in with your Salesforce credentials. As you log in, what you're doing is authorizing N8N to access Salesforce, so be sure to follow the instructions carefully within the Salesforce pop-up. You're granting permissions that allow N8N to perform actions within your Salesforce account, and this is a key part of connecting these two powerful platforms. After the authorization process is successfully completed, congratulations! Your Salesforce account is now connected to N8N. At this point, with your Salesforce account successfully authenticated, you can select from various actions like Create, Get, Update, or Delete for different objects such as a contact, lead, or even a custom object. And that's all there is to it. You've now connected Salesforce CRM to N8N, setting the stage for efficient and automated workflows. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.